Yo, what's up, guys? In this video, we're going to take a look at the $99 social reseller plan, okay? So this is like how much should you charge your clients, okay? And they've done a very good job. Like, they want you to resell their services, and they've done a very good job of like kind of telling you what you're going to get. But I'll just go over these like just, for the sake of doing it. And you can get this. This is a PDF that they sent me when I signed up for it. Okay, so let's take a look. This is their core plan, right? The daily plan. 99 bucks a month. You can charge $199, and it's one post to Facebook and one to, one of your choice. But I don't like to give them a choice. I just like to say Twitter or LinkedIn or whatever. Because the second you start giving clients too much choice is when they get confused, and if they're confused, then like nothing's ever going to happen. So just decide for them. You can also do this in Spanish. If you speak Spanish, or if you want to market to the Spanish market, very good, because like Spanish market's very big, and not a lot of people market to them, just because the people that do it in Spanish are not as sophisticated as the ones that do it in English, all things being equal. Not because like people who speak Spanish are dumb, just because like the English market is the most sophisticated one. Like, there's no comparison. Okay, the unique plan, which is basically the same as the daily plan, but on the daily plan, they're posting the same thing to 2 social networks. On the unique plan, they're posting 2 different posts. They're posting one unique post to Facebook and one unique post to Twitter, for example. Okay, so it's a little confusing like this. Double daily plan, which is 2 daily posts so this is like double this one. So like the same post, like post A and post B, they're posting those to Twitter and to Facebook. Okay, so it's 2 posts. Content is king plan, so this is 2 posts to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, 2 weekly posts to Instagram, and 1 monthly blog post. All that for $300. That is pretty freaking good, man. Growth plan, 1 to Facebook, 2 networks of your choice, comes with $50 ad budget. And then this is the sexy one right here. 2 daily posts to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, 5 posts to Instagram, and they manage your Facebook ads, and you get 1 monthly blog post. For $500, I don't know, man. That's really good. Like, you can charge, I think this is my $1,000 package that I have. I don't even remember. I'm in Thailand. My internet's not great. Okay, let's take a look here. So this, post once a day, 7 days a week. Okay, 2 daily posts to all of these, 5 posts to Instagram, free Facebook ads management. This is like unreal for $1,000. Even $1,000, that's a good deal, Okay, so those are the core plans, like very straightforward. These are like add-ons, so this is like additional posts, right? Instagram is a little bit more expensive for some reason. Maybe they like can't automate it. I'm not really sure. A couple more add-ons here. This is like custom add-ons for like blog stuff, like written content. Again, I don't think this is like $100 for a 500-word post. It's a little expensive, but I understand that like some companies they want that. They don't care. Social media profile creation, so $50, but we do it for 10 just because it's cheaper. Or what you can say is like, if you sign up for this plan, we'll do it for you for free. And then this is custom advertising plans. So this is Facebook ads, I believe. Yeah, Facebook or LinkedIn. And what they don't do here, I don't think they don't do like, choice of website traffic, contest, or social page likes, right? So what they don't do is conversions. Okay, so they don't do the this isn't for lead gen. They'll either do website traffic, which like you might get some leads out of that, but it just depends on who the client is, right? So like you can throw this in if you want, but that's just a conversation that you might need to have with them. Also, for $1,000 they get us all this other shit too, so like not really a huge deal. Okay, so that is that. $99 social, for sure, very good company to outsource your stuff to. Highly recommend it. And when you sign up for the reseller program, you get access to this PDF.